Hey, welcome back. If you are here, that means you finished Python in 50 minutes. And that is awesome. You learned variables, strings, numbers, loops, lists, dictionaries, functions, and you even built a quiz game. That is a solid foundation. Before we start, make sure you have two things set up. First, Python. Go to python.org and download the latest version if you have not already. Second, VS Code. That is the code editor we will be using throughout this course. You can download it for free at code.visualstudio.com. Once you have both installed, you are ready to go. So what comes next? Well, knowing the basics is great, but building real things requires a few more skills. And that is exactly what this course is about. Python Intermediate in 50 minutes. Think of this as part 2 of your Python journey. We are picking up right where we left off. Here is what we are going to build together. First, file input and output. Your programs will be able to save data and load it back. Then error handling. Because right now, one small mistake crashes your whole program. We are going to fix that. Next, modules and imports. Python has thousands of tools built in. You just need to know how to use them. Then we get into the big one. Classes and objects. This is object-oriented programming, and it is how most professional software is built. After that, inheritance, which lets you build new things on top of existing ones without starting from scratch. List comprehensions. A powerful shortcut that will make your code cleaner and faster. Working with JSON. This is how data is stored and shared across the internet. HTTP requests and APIs. Your programs will be able to talk to web services and fetch real data. Virtual environments and pip. This is how you manage packages and keep your projects organized. And finally, we are going to build a complete project from scratch. A contact book application that runs in the terminal. It uses everything from this course. Classes, files, JSON, error handling, all of it. Just like last time, every lesson has a challenge at the end. Pause the video and try it yourself. That is the fastest way to learn. Alright, let's jump in. See you in lesson 1.